Sticks and stones may break your bones, but stone fruits can help you and your blood sugar control. So, what are stone fruits and why should you eat them? Well, don't be a rolling stone, stop what you're doing and check out 5 stone fruits that lower blood sugar. Now you're probably wondering, what exactly is a stone fruit? This class of fruit contains a single pit or stone which contains the seed. The stone is encased in a soft, fleshy and edible section called the mesocarp, and all that is encased in the exocarp, or the skin of the fruit. And did you know, stone fruits are also called drupes? Chances are you know and have been enjoying many drupes throughout your life, especially in the spring and summertime. Most stone fruits are picked at their peak, and you typically find them for sale from May through October, though their peak season is June through September. Okay, it's time to show you the best stone fruits that are safe, and in fact beneficial for diabetics, starting with fruit number 1, peaches. Juicy, delicious, low-calorie peaches can be high in fruit sugar, with 14 grams of carbohydrates per serving, but they also give you 2 grams of fiber, making them a good choice for aiding your post-meal digestion and your blood sugar balance. In fact, new animal studies showed that peaches helped prevent high glucose levels and insulin resistance in obese lab rats. This is most likely due to their wealth of beneficial bioactive compounds and diabetes-fighting micronutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, and K, copper, manganese, and potassium, along with other antioxidants which fight against inflammatory oxidative stress. Vitamin A aids eye health and protects you from age and diabetes-related macular degeneration. Vitamin C has been found to slow your digestion, thereby helping you avoid a post-meal glucose spike. And potassium is also important for diabetics, as low levels can cause your body to produce less insulin. This antioxidant also aids your heart health. In fact, studies show that regularly eating peaches may help your body remove cholesterol and lead to lower levels of triglycerides and artery-clogging LDL cholesterol. But as delicious and beneficial as peach flesh is, don't forget to eat its skin, because that is rich in carotenoids and caffeic acid, other powerful antioxidants that also have anti-cancer properties. In fact, caffeic acid has been shown to reduce inflammation, which contributes to lower levels of painful arthritis. It has also been shown to lower glucose levels while improving insulin sensitivity. So make life peachy with diabetes-fighting peaches. Which stone fruit is famous for its ability to aid you in the bathroom? That's coming up next. First, one of the world's favorite dessert fruits is also an excellent choice for your blood sugar. Fruit number 2, cherries. You can get tart or sweet cherries, with colors ranging from yellow to deep red. Whichever is your favorite type of cherry, it will give you some impressive stone fruit benefits. A cup of cherries is under 100 calories, with 3 grams of glucose-stabilizing, digestion-aiding fiber. It also gives you a list of powerful micronutrients, including B vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin K, copper, magnesium, manganese, and potassium. You'll love that potassium, which aids your muscle contraction and nerve function, along with its essential heart health benefits. Copper helps your body make red blood cells, and it also aids the health of your nerves. And studies show that diabetics with high levels of manganese may be more protected from the damaging effects of LDL cholesterol more than those with less manganese in their blood. Plus, cherries are rich in polyphenols, plant compounds that fight oxidative stress, reduce diabetes-related inflammation, and protect against other diabetes-related conditions, including mental decline. Oh, and for even more benefits, delicious cherries also give you the carotenoid pigment beta-carotene, another excellent antioxidant that can aid immunity and eye health, especially for older diabetics. And don't sleep on cherries, because a recent study even showed that drinking tart cherry juice concentrate for 7 days helped participants significantly increase their melatonin levels, thereby aiding their sleep duration and sleep quality. Also, don't go down to bed without getting your daily dose of diabetes smarts. Subscribe and click the link below for 3 free diabetes fighting gifts. Plus, please help our channel by clicking the like button and tell us about your favourite fruits. So comments below, we really appreciate your support. Next, for a lip-smackingly delicious glucose-supporting stone fruit, try fruit number 3, plums. Here's another stone fruit that comes in a variety of shapes and colours, and all will be excellent for your blood sugar balance. Thanks to their deliciously dark skin, they are rich in anthocyanins, protective compounds that have been shown to modulate gut bacteria. That means they can aid your digestion and reduce systemic inflammation, which works to improve your glucose regulation. Anthocyanins also inhibit certain enzymes involved in carbohydrate digestion, thereby reducing post-meal glucose levels. And studies show that regularly getting good amounts of anthocyanins can work to improve your insulin sensitivity. Incredibly, studies suggest that plums may be higher in anthocyanins than many other fruits, including peaches. Of course, plums also give you a treasure trove of anti-inflammatory antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and K, copper, manganese, phosphorus, and potassium. Did you know vitamin K aids blood clotting, and it helps to strengthen your bones, a major benefit for elderly diabetics? And naturally, they are an excellent source of fibre to aid your digestion and post-meal blood sugar control. They are also famous for their sorbitol, a type of sugar found in fruits, which works as a laxative inside your body. That's why plums, and their dried versions, prunes, are often recommended for relieving constipation. Plus, plums are particularly plentiful in chlorogenic acid, a powerful polyphenol that has been shown to lower post-meal glucose levels, along with decreasing damaging oxidative stress and inflammation. So be mindful of plums, because their polyphenols have been shown to reduce the risk of age and diabetes-related cognitive decline. What is our very favourite stone fruit for aiding your blood sugar balance? Today's final choice is just ahead. Now, rolling along, let's meet fruit number 4, apricots. Apricots are not only rich in fibre, they are low in carbohydrates and calories. And lovely and sweet apricots lend you a whole lot of diabetes-fighting antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and E, potassium, and other important compounds, like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Actually, apricots are an amazing stone fruit for your vision, as vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that can protect your eyes from free radical damage. And beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin have each been shown to aid eye health. In fact, both lutein and zeaxanthin are used by the lenses and retinas in your eyes to protect against oxidative stress. Plus, apricots are another awesome fruit for supplying powerful polyphenols, especially flavonoids. In fact, apricots contain the specific flavonoids chlorogenic acid, catechins, and quercetin. These compounds further fight against harmful free radical damage and oxidative stress, which reduces the risk of several diabetes-related conditions, including heart disease. And while nutritionists caution against overdoing your intake of dried fruits, as they have concentrated levels of sugar, a recent study revealed that type 2 diabetic participants who ate dried apricots experienced a significant reduction in their blood glucose levels. Still, be sure to enjoy dried fruits in moderation. Now, for our final and possibly favourite stone fruit for diabetics, try fruit number 5, nectarines. This delicious summer fruit is not only refreshing, it contains special diabetes-fighting properties. This low-calorie, carb-light fruit possesses around 2.5 grams of dietary fiber per serving, which supports digestion, post-meal blood sugar balance, and weight management. Of course, like other stone fruits, nectarines give you many impressive anti-diabetes micronutrients, including vitamins B3, vitamin C, copper, and potassium. Did you know vitamin B3, aka niacin, is needed by virtually every part of your body to function properly? And studies show that it helps to lower cholesterol, reduce arthritis symptoms, and boost brain function. Plus, this satisfying fruit gives you powerful flavonoids and anthocyanins, whose anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects further aid your brain health and help you reduce your risk of age and diabetes-related mental decline. And thanks to its antioxidants, regularly eating nectarines can help your body fight inflammatory oxidative stress, thereby reducing your risk of Alzheimer's disease and cardiovascular issues. Plus, the phenolic compounds within nectarines have been shown to reduce your risk of certain forms of cancer. In fact, a recent study of nearly 500,000 adults over the age of 50 found a significant link between eating plenty of fruits, especially nectarines, and a decreased risk of developing lung cancer for men. But nectarines aren't done there. They are also loaded with abscisic acid, a plant hormone that has been shown to help regulate glucose metabolism. Indeed, as results of a recent trial found that thinned nectarines, which are rich in ABA, contributed to improved insulin sensitivity and a significant reduction in fasting plasma insulin levels for participants. This suggests that if you are type 2 diabetic, enjoying a few servings of nectarines each week can help you to improve your blood sugar balance.